The word world. To refer to the earth or the globe, the world, around the world, the whole world. People from all around the world attended the conference. She dreams of traveling to every corner of the world. The world is becoming more interconnected due to technology. To express a group or area of activity, the business world, the art world, the fashion world. He's a well-known figure in the business world. The art world was shocked by the new exhibition. The fashion world is always looking for new trends. To refer to a specific region or environment, a world of difference, a world apart. There's a world of difference between these two cities. Their cultures are worlds apart, but they still manage to communicate. To express a large amount or degree, the world's best, the world's greatest, the world of. She is the world's best chef, known for her innovative dishes. This is the world's greatest invention, changing industries globally. He's an expert in the world of finance, handling large portfolios. To refer to global or international scope. Worldwide, world leader, global world. The product is available worldwide, from New York to Tokyo. He is recognized as a world leader in renewable energy. In today's global world, cultures often blend and influence each other.